Hello everyone, this is Leon. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys something that I find it useful and convenient, and I think every camera owner should have this. Oftentimes, whenever we are taking photos or video, first thing we're gonna do is to take out the camera and remove the lens cap. Then, I believe a lot of people are just like me, either put the lens cap into our pocket, into the camera bag, or worse, simply place it somewhere and forget about it. And even putting inside the pocket or camera bag, sometimes you just have too much stuff inside and you could be struggling to find it. So I came up with an idea, which is a 3D printed lens cap holder. Because I like to keep stuff just right beside me, all I gotta do is to hang it just right beside my camera, and whenever I'm going to take a photo or video, I can just remove the lens cap and snap it onto the holder, and that's it. It doesn't fall because the way I design it, there is a zigzag surface on the wall that can hold the lens cap tightly. When I'm done shooting, I can just take the lens cap from here and place it back just like this. Easy and simple, no hassle, no struggle. And it doesn't interfere with your camera. And the best thing is, because it is 3D printed at home, I can just customize it with any thread size that I want, or having multiple thread sizes in just one single holder. Because I believe a lot of people out there have more than one lens and the thread sizes are different. So having this is really a lifesaver. No more losing lens cap ever. If you want to print one for yourself, I have a link down below. Feel free to check it out. And if you find this video useful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new, please consider subscribing because it helps my channel grow. Lastly, I also would like to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. See you next time.